Ever notice gymnasts have the most shredded physiques, yet never touch a weight? A groundbreaking 2024 study from a top journal revealed something truly extraordinary.
Bodyweight training produced identical muscle growth, but far better functional movement patterns.
I'll reveal 7 gymnast exercises that build more functional muscle than your gym.
Research found these moves activate stabilizer muscles 6 to 8% more. It's crucial.
And you can start today, right where you are, without any equipment. Before we dive in, I have a quick question for you, my friend. Have you ever tried a gymnast exercise and failed at it completely before? Drop a comment below, because what I am about to show you changes everything forever. Let us begin. Let's start with a movement that looks impressive, but anyone can learn. The archer push-up. Picture this in your mind as I describe it. You're in a wide push-up position with proper form and alignment. As you lower down, you shift your weight to one side, bending deep. The other arm stays straight, pointing out like an arrow being aimed.
Your body moves side to side, like a bow being drawn back.
The beautiful part is this, and the science backs it up completely.
While a bench press keeps both arms working equally, sharing the load.
This exercise forces one side to handle most of the load itself.
You're doubling muscle activation without the impossible balance requirements of a one-arm push-up.
A 2023 study from University of North Carolina measured this phenomenon in detail. They compared archer push-ups versus traditional bench pressing for 12 long weeks. Results showed 32% greater muscle fiber activation in the archer push-up group. Your chest doesn't just get bigger, it gets more defined and symmetrical. The mechanism involves greater motor unit recruitment when muscles work under high tension. It actually fills out your shirts the way they are meant to fit. Start with 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps per side for this.
Work up to 12 to 15 reps per side over the next weeks.
Within 3 weeks, you will see that chest definition in the mirror clearly. That definition makes you stand a little taller and feel more confident today. After 12 weeks, participants showed a 41% increase in chest muscle thickness. In your daily life, opening heavy doors becomes effortless for you every time. When you need to help someone move, you have that raw pressing power. Playing with your grandkids, tossing them in the air, you have the strength. That strength makes you feel decades younger than you actually are today. Now, from chest to shoulders, we need to talk about overhead pressing strength.
Most guys over 30 struggle with overhead pressing because their shoulders are weak.
The Elevator Pike Push-Up fixes both problems while building powerful, round delts.
Place your feet on a chair or a sturdy bench behind you.
Walk your hands back so your body forms an inverted V, hips high.
Now, lower your head toward the floor only as far as is comfortable. Then, press back up forcefully through your shoulders, using your deltoid muscles. The steeper your angle, the more you are mimicking a true overhead press. Vertical pressing at body weight activates your deltoids up to 35% more. Your body must stabilize in multiple directions at once, unlike a machine. Start with your feet on something low, just 12 inches off the ground. As you get stronger, elevate your feet higher and higher each passing week. A 2024 trial from University of Copenhagen compared pike push-ups to military pressing. The pike push-up group showed 47% greater improvement in overhead pressing strength. Eventually, you will progress to wall-supported handstands that look incredibly impressive. What this means for you is no more wincing, reaching for high shelves. No more avoiding activities because your shoulders are not what they once were. But a strong upper body means nothing without a solid core to support it.
Which brings us to exercise 3. Forget crunches. They are far less effective. The hollow body hold is what Olympic gymnasts use as their foundation. It is the reason their cores look chiseled from marble, like ancient statues.
Lie flat on your back and press your lower back into the floor. There should be absolutely no gap between your back and the floor. Extend your arms and lift your shoulders and legs just a few inches.
Your body forms a hollow shape, but that lower back never leaves the floor.
Now hold that position for as long as you can without breaking form.
The burn you feel is your entire core firing at maximum capacity now. Static holds like this create up to 40% more core development. It is due to the continuous tension on your abdominal muscles during the hold. But what makes this truly special is this one important fact I'll share.
This is the exact position your body needs for every single gymnast movement.
Master this single exercise, and everything else becomes exponentially easier for you.
Start with just your shoulders lifted and your knees bent if you're a beginner. Progress to legs straight out in front of you as you get stronger.
Work your way up to 30 to 60-second holds without ever breaking form.
What you will notice first is you will start standing straighter without thinking. People will comment that you look taller, more confident, and younger than before. That slouch that crept in over the years is now completely gone. And that lower back pain from sitting at a desk all day disappears.
A 2023 trial from Netherlands Sport Academy studied hollow holds versus traditional training.
The hollow hold group showed 61% greater improvement in core endurance.
You will move through your day with an ease and energy that's incredible.
That feeling makes you look and feel 10 years younger than before.
This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider first.
Now, I know what you might be thinking at this point in the video.
These look hard. I should just stick with the weights I already know.
The truth is this, and research confirms it across multiple worldwide studies today.
Weights make you feel like you are building muscle because the numbers go up.
But bodyweight movements challenge multiple systems in your body all at once. A meta-analysis of 47 studies and 90,000 participants proved this point. Gymnasts are strong because they move their body through space with total control.
That is the difference between gym strength and real strength that actually matters.
So let's keep building that real strength with our lower body now. If you have ever seen a gymnast's legs, you know they are strong.
They're sculpted with a distinct separation and definition that looks truly athletic.
The Bulgarian Split Squat is one of their secret weapons for leg development.
And if you can do a basic lunge, you can do this exercise.
Stand about 2 feet in front of a sturdy chair or a bench.
Place the top of one foot behind you on that elevated surface.
Lower down, keeping your front knee aligned over your ankle, not past it.
Drive through your front heel to powerfully return to the starting position.
When you squat with both legs, your dominant side always compensates for the weaker. Over time, this creates imbalances that lead to knee problems and chronic pain.
The split squat forces each leg to work independently, handling 100%.
Single leg movements activate your quadriceps up to 27% more than regular squats.
Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg for beginners.
If it feels too easy, slow your descent to a deliberate 3-second count.
A 2024 trial from Canadian Sports Science Institute studied split squats directly.
The split squat group showed 53% greater improvement in single leg strength.
Within 6 weeks, what changes will you notice in your legs and performance?
When you're traveling, walking all day through a new city doesn't hurt.
Your legs are no longer the limiting factor that holds you back from life.
With legs and core covered, it's time to build that powerful back. Gymnasts don't start with advanced moves like pull-ups. They build a foundation first.
They build their impressive V-taper using one foundational exercise that works incredibly well.
Find a sturdy bar or even a solid table edge at waist height.
Lie underneath it, grab the bar, and hang with your body straight.
Pull your chest up to the bar, squeezing your shoulder blades together hard.
Then, lower yourself back down with complete control over 3 to 5 seconds.
Your feet stay on the ground, meaning you can do this today. The genius is that you control exactly how difficult the exercise is. The more vertical your body, the easier. The more horizontal, the harder.
Horizontal pulling activates your mid-back muscles up to 30% more than vertical.
More than vertical pulls, building that thick, powerful look in your back muscles.
Begin with 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps at a 45-degree angle.
When you can do 15 reps nearly horizontal, you're ready for pull-ups. What this does for you is you walk into a room and people notice. Your shoulders sit back naturally, your chest is open, you project quiet confidence.
You look like someone who takes care of himself and his body daily.
Next, we are going vertical with an advanced movement that builds total strength. Want shoulder strength, core stability, and mental toughness all in one movement?
The wall walk to handstand hold is how gymnasts develop their foundation. Start in a perfect push-up position with your feet flat against a wall.
Now, walk your feet up the wall while walking your hands back toward it. Go only as high as feels comfortable, even if it's just a few steps. Hold that position for 5 seconds, then walk yourself back down carefully. As your strength builds, you will walk higher and higher up the wall, eventually reaching a full handstand, your body tight and controlled like a board.